In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a receipt on Canva. What you have to do is go to our search bar and search for invoices. Once it has loaded, you'll be able to see different kinds of templates, and we'll just be choosing which one is perfect for our business. Say, for example, we have this gray one here. I think this looks really amazing. Let's customize that template. And once we are there, let's try to drag this slider here to make them bigger. You'll be able to see all the details now. Just a heads up, you have to change these values manually because this is not Excel or Google Sheets. You need to put every detail manually. So, for example, this one is like $40. And if I change that into $35, the other ones won't be changing and add or multiply. So, yes, you have to input everything manually. Now, if you'd like to change the colors of these bars or these stuff here, you can just click them and then colors will be there, just like that. Change it into blue. Looks nice. This one can also be changed into blue again, just like that. Or let's just click on this and then click on that. There you go. Changing these can also be easy. Click on it. Click on this one. So we changed that into blue. Now let's click on this paint roller here. It's copy style. And then put it here. Drag this paint roller here. And that will be blue as well. Let's try to make it a little bit smaller and see how it looks like. Ooh, that looks nice. That's about it. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.